Good morning and welcome to Future Electronics Day 2 of Advanced Engineering University. We're so lucky to be here and having this event this year. AEU offers numerous benefits for our FAEs and suppliers. It's hard to pick just one. First for me is knowledge sharing and skill development. With all the supplier classes and the Technology Expo, where we'll have 50 supplier booths, there's limitless opportunities to learn about the latest trends and innovations. Our keynote speakers will also be highly motivating and inspire attendees to further technical success. Last but not least is the networking opportunities to meet industry leaders from our suppliers and potential FAE collaborators from other regions, giving the attendees valuable connections and partnerships. We look forward to another 3 full days of training and hope to see you again soon. Thank you.